Okay, so I got this bright idea to purchase a pair of jeans for $1 at the My Rover Reese thrift store here in Fayetteville over by our home across the river. Every Saturday, all clothes are a dollar. Well, all the clothes that are in the bins and then their regular racks, but not their special racks, which I found out when I bought a t-shirt that cost me $4.99. Oh, first world problems. But anyway, super cute jeans. They're a dollar, and they actually were Fashion Nova, which I love, love, love Fashion Nova. They had me in a chokehold when I bought suits earlier this year. So I decided to paint these. They were perfect. They're above the ankle. They're already frayed at the bottom, and so it's probably going to take 2 days for this paint to dry. Now, I was not feeling like going to buy fabric medium from Michael's. Hobby Lobby's closed today, so I read somewhere where you could use fabric softener. Not sure that's really going to work, but the whole point behind the fabric softener is so that the paint isn't stiff, it doesn't crack, etc. But since that doesn't really matter to me, I did the larger items. This is the strawberry, obviously. So I did the strawberries, the sunflowers, and the little bumblebees using the base of cream and white mix with the fabric softener. I just used the regular Downy fabric softener. So we're going to see what happens. I know it's going to take 2 days for these to dry because I painted some other ones before. But I love how they turned out. Just decided to share the project with you. Let me know what you think. If you hate it, it's okay, because I love it. Love, love, love them. Just going to wait for everything to dry. God bless you guys. See you soon.